It's an 06 Dodge Ram. Doing a complete stereo system in it. You know, all the door panels are all pulled off. No panels on the fronts. Pulled the dash apart. Got all the components up out of our way. I've already pulled through some tweeter wire. I already got the wire in that pillar, running across, and then the other half is back here. We're doing stereo, 2 amps, one for bass, one for highs, 2 subs, EQ. Got the custom made box for this truck. Goes right in the pocket and underneath the seats on these things. Nice and fit. Got the rear door panels already done. Got the panels laying out. What we're putting in, it's got the decks already been pulled out of this, so the aftermarket dash kit been trimmed to fit. This is the pocket that was actually underneath the stereo, but it's actually the EQ holder now. They have a half-din EQ. Did some custom soldering with a heat gun in there. So now this EQ is fixed right up in there. It's not going to be falling out, but it'll give the stereo a nice clean look. There's the door speakers. That's in the rear. These are the front door speakers. We got a EQ, little half-in EQ for it. Got the Hifonics Brutus 12s. Got 2 of those going in the truck. Power Acoustik EQ. We got the 8.3 deck here. So we're putting that in this truck. There's the bass amp. We're using the Acoustik 1200. It's a mono block amp. Then we're using Acoustik 4-channel. We're using this amp for all the highs. Then we'll look see if everything, it's all laid across everything here. We'll show you what